Do you want to know the real secret to living longer? Don't look at your weight or your diet. Look at your legs. The stronger your legs, the longer you live. Weak legs aren't just inconvenient, they're dangerous. They lead to falls, slow movement, and loss of independence. Most seniors think the only way to strengthen legs is by going to the gym or exercising for hours. That's a myth. You don't need a treadmill or heavy weights. Simple movements like chair-assisted squats, climbing stairs, or standing up without using your hands help, but they aren't enough. Your legs need nutrients, and that's what most people miss. Let's start with the first nutrient, magnesium. Magnesium is a miracle mineral for seniors. It relaxes muscles, repairs nerves, and balances calcium in your body. Without it, your muscles cramp, fatigue, and recover slowly. Over 60% of older adults are deficient. That's why so many experience nighttime leg spasms and weakness. Taking magnesium at night works perfectly. Your body repairs muscles while you sleep. Your parasympathetic nervous system, your natural repair system, activates. Blood flow improves, tension releases, and growth hormones peak. Magnesium ensures your legs wake up energized, not stiff. But strong muscles aren't enough. You need strong bones to support them. That's where vitamin K2 comes in. K2 is the silent hero that guides calcium into your bones. Without it, calcium goes to your arteries and soft tissues instead, making bones brittle and legs weak. Vitamin K2 works during sleep, the same time your body goes through bone turnover. Weak bone tissue is broken down and rebuilt stronger. K2 activates proteins that deposit calcium in weight-bearing bones like your legs, hips, and knees. This reduces fractures, strengthens bones, and keeps your legs stable. Timing is everything. Many seniors take vitamins in the morning, which reduces effectiveness. Taking magnesium and K2 at night allows your body to absorb them when repair processes are strongest. This simple change can make a huge difference. Even with magnesium and K2, your legs can still be weak if other nutrients are missing. Many seniors lack vitamin D, B12, and protein, which are crucial for calcium absorption, nerve health, and muscle repair. These deficiencies sneak up over time, silently weakening your legs. Imagine this: Mrs. Johnson, 78, struggled with weak legs and nighttime cramps. After taking magnesium and K2 at night and adding protein-rich foods like eggs and yogurt, her legs felt firmer, cramps disappeared, and she regained confidence in walking. She could climb stairs without holding the railing. Strong legs aren't just about walking. They improve balance, boost confidence, and allow you to live independently. And the best part, you don't need hours of exercise. With the right nighttime vitamins and daytime nutrition, you can rebuild leg strength even at 80 or 85. So remember, magnesium relaxes muscles, K2 strengthens bones, and together they create a foundation for strong, steady legs. We'll explore hidden deficiencies and lifestyle habits that sabotage leg strength, how to fix them naturally. We revealed the two most powerful nutrients for seniors' legs, magnesium and vitamin K2. But here's the truth: many seniors still struggle with weak legs because of hidden deficiencies and daily habits. Today, we're going to fix that. The first hidden culprit is vitamin D. Low D levels reduce calcium absorption, weaken muscles, and harm balance. Many seniors don't get enough sun or consume enough dairy-rich foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy. The result: legs feel heavy, walking becomes tiring, and the risk of falls skyrockets. The solution is simple. Take vitamin D daily or eat dairy-rich foods. Combine it with magnesium because they work together. Magnesium activates vitamin D, which supports muscle function, bone strength, and leg stability. Next is vitamin B12. Low B12 damages nerves, causing numbness, tingling, and weakness in the legs. Many seniors have trouble absorbing B12 due to reduced stomach acid. Eggs, fish, dairy, and lean meats help, but supplementation is often necessary. Once corrected, B12 restores nerve function, sensation, and leg coordination. Protein is the next secret weapon. After 50, muscles shrink in a process called sarcopenia. Legs carry most of your weight, so weakness shows here first. Seniors often don't get enough protein, accelerating muscle loss. Eat protein-rich foods every day. Beans, lentils, yogurt, eggs, fish, chicken, nuts, lean beef. Even moderate increases rebuild leg muscles quickly. Combine this with magnesium and K2, and you get stronger, more resilient legs. Lifestyle matters too. Sitting all day, avoiding stairs, or relying on support rails weakens your legs. Short, consistent movements, like chair-assisted squats or standing without holding a chair, maintain circulation and muscle tone. Small steps every day lead to big results. High sodium intake is another silent enemy. Pickled foods, processed snacks, and salty meals pull calcium from your bones, weakening them. Weak bones equals unstable legs equals higher fall risk. Replace high sodium foods with fresh vegetables and herbs for better bone health. Hydration is crucial. Muscles and connective tissues stiffen when dehydrated, leading to cramps and fatigue. Drink water throughout the day and eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, melons, and leafy greens to keep muscles flexible and joints smooth. Timing nutrients makes a huge difference. Magnesium and K2 at night support repair, while protein, vitamin D, and B12 during the day fuel muscle and nerve function. This alignment maximizes results and strengthens legs faster than exercise alone. Consistency is key. Seniors who maintain this daily routine often see rapid improvements in balance, stamina, and confidence. They walk longer, climb stairs without help, and regain independence. Here's an example. Mr. Adams, 82, struggled with weak legs and falls. He started magnesium and K2 at night, added more protein and B12, and did short daily exercises. In 3 weeks, he walked confidently. His legs felt firmer, and cramps disappeared. Even in his 80s, he rebuilt strength and independence. So, to summarize, Section 2, correct hidden deficiencies: vitamin D, B12, protein. Combine with magnesium and K2 at night. Hydrate, reduce sodium, and include light daily movement. This is your complete formula for strong, stable legs at any age. In the next video, we'll expose 3 common evening habits that silently weaken seniors' legs and how to reverse them quickly. Follow these tips, and your legs will become stronger, steadier, and healthier than ever.